If you're looking for an affordable roofing quote Logan homeowners can rely on, you're likely trying to balance quality work with a realistic budget. Now, roofing issues are stressful enough without confusing pricing or vague answers. The goal is simple: get clear information, honest recommendations, and a solution that protects your home long term. Roof damage doesn't always happen at a convenient time, and when shingles lift, flashing fails, or water starts dripping inside, emergency roof leak repair Logan services becomes essential. A fast response can prevent mold, structural damage, and expensive interior repairs. The sooner the problem is addressed, the more affordable the repair usually is. Now, one of the most common questions homeowners ask is about Logan Roof Repair Price. The cost of roof repairs depends on several factors, including the extent of the damage, roof pitch, materials, and whether the issue is localized or widespread. A trustworthy roofer explains these details clearly so you know exactly what you're paying for and why. For many property owners, the next step is requesting an estimate for roof repairs or replacement Logan residents can compare with confidence. A proper estimate should outline repair options, replacement considerations, material choices, and expected lifespan. This helps you make an informed decision instead of guessing or rushing into unnecessary work. If time is critical, a fast roof repair estimate Logan homeowners trust can make all the difference. Quick estimates don't mean cutting corners. They mean experienced professionals who know how to assess damage efficiently and accurately. Speed matters when your home is exposed to the elements. An affordable roofing quote isn't just about the lowest number. It's about value, durability, and peace of mind. When you work with a knowledgeable roofing professional who understands Logan's weather conditions and local building standards, you're investing in protection for your home and your family. Getting the right roofing estimate starts with asking the right questions and choosing a contractor who puts transparency first. And with the right information, you can move forward confidently, knowing your roof is in capable hands. Contact us now for more information on how we can help you. 435-999-5004.